welcome everyone. Now feels like as good a time as any to say, I can assure you we're really here. It's important that you know how much Erin and Thomas have been buzzing in anticipation for this day, and I can assure you they're wholeheartedly filled with gratitude that you're here. Erin and Thomas, everyone here has played some role in, as Mr. Rogers would say, loving you into being.
I just want to thank all of you for being here and supporting our family. Erin and Thomas, thank you for letting me be a part of your wedding planning, and I think we just nailed it.
It has been said that one hallmark of a great relationship is how the couple makes others feel. Erin and Thomas look around you now and recognize the friends and family you invited here tonight to celebrate you represent your strong roots.
We got engaged in Positano, Italy. Mary wanted this night to feel like we could whisk all of our favorite people away to Italy.
We want to thank you, each of you, for being here tonight. What a gift. Look at the architecture.
Oh my gosh. I've come to learn. It's not about me. It's all about you guys. What a beautiful night. Wow. Wow.
Even though she's the youngest of the three sisters, Erin has always been the natural caretaker. She is our bright light.
Who was going to be the right match for this extra special catch? There are many who were in love with Erin, but she waited until she met the perfect match.
Back in summer of 2019 in San Francisco, you approached me at Jordan and Connor's moving away party on the Marina Green. I remember seeing your big, cheeky smile and those kind green eyes thinking, he is so darn handsome. As we started talking, I can honestly say that something felt entirely different about you.
Thomas has had success in many aspects of life, but I think not fumbling the first few dates with Erin is the best example of that.
And I think it's important in life that we surround ourselves with people who care about us, who want to see us grow.
Oh my God. It looks so good. Oh my gosh.
And that's why it made me very happy that Thomas and Erin found each other, because Erin is one of those people too.
I'm selfishly thankful you are mine and that you chose me to spend the rest of your life with. We're going to make the most of it and live every moment fully with intention.
It means the world to Debbie and I to have this community come out. I don't think there's anything in the world you two can't accomplish together because you're far stronger as one.
As you look at your community, remember why we do this. Weddings are a collective blessing. With each person in attendance, a physical form of prayer. This community is here to bless your next chapter. Erin and Thomas are magnets for community because they're magnets for bright people. Erin and Thomas, as you look at your community, I hope in the sea of bright lights, you can see your own light reflecting back at you.
Oh, little lover. Oh my God, you look good.
I, Erin, take you, Thomas, to be my husband.
I, Thomas, take you, Erin, to be my wife.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
I promise to love you and cherish you all the days of my life.
I'm thrilled to present Mr. and Mrs. Thomas Evans. You may kiss.
Now I present to you Thomas and Erin Evans.
From one outlaw to another, welcome to this incredible, loud, rule-breaking, and beautiful family.
So welcome to the family, Erin. We're looking forward to all the many memories yet to be made with you and Thomas.
And as our founding father, Mark Madden, has taught us,
What is better than people?
More people!
Make a great match, and it's just really special to be a part of this weekend. Here's to all you bright lights.
Together, you two are a remarkable team. Your love story has been an absolute joy to witness, and this next chapter will be nothing short of an extraordinary journey for you both.